Hello, welcome to Easy English Fairy Tales. Today we have a very special story for you, The Brave Little Mouse. This story is perfect for English learners. It's about a small mouse named Milo who proves that even the smallest creature can be the bravest. As you listen to the story, try to learn new words and phrases. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a tiny mouse named Milo. Milo was so small that even the other mice teased him. Milo the scared mouse, they called him because he was afraid of everything. Milo didn't like loud noises, dark shadows, or big animals. He felt safe only in his small hole in the farmer's kitchen wall. One day, a big problem came to the village. A fierce and clever cat named Whiskers moved into the barn. Whiskers was not like other cats. He was fast, strong, and always hungry. Every day, Whiskers caught small animals, birds, rabbits, and even a few mice. The animals of the village were terrified. "We must do something," cried Bella the rabbit. "If we don't stop the cat, none of us will be safe." The animals decided to have a meeting under the old oak tree. Rabbits, squirrels, birds, and mice came to discuss how to stop Whiskers. Even Mr. Owl, the wisest animal, joined the meeting. At the meeting, Mr. Owl spoke. "We need a plan. The cat is too fast and too clever. We cannot fight him, but we can trick him." "How can we trick him?" asked Max the bird, flapping his tiny wings. Mr. Owl thought for a moment. Then he said, "We must tie a bell around the cat's neck. When the cat moves, the bell will ring, and we will hear him coming. Then we can run away before he catches us." The animals clapped and cheered. "That's a great idea," they said. But then Mr. Owl asked, "Who will tie the bell to the cat?" Suddenly, the animals became very quiet. Bella the rabbit shook her head. "I can't do it," she said. "The cat will catch me." Max the bird said, "I'm too small. The cat will see me." Freddy the fox said, "I'm too scared. The cat is dangerous." The animals began to argue. "We need the bell," shouted one. "But no one will tie it," shouted another. Then a small voice said, "I will do it." The animals turned to see Milo, the little mouse. They were surprised. "You," said Freddy the fox, "you are the smallest of all of us." "Yes," said Milo, "I am small, but I am also fast and quiet. I can do it." The animals whispered to each other, "Could Milo really do it?" Mr. Owl said, "If you are brave enough, Milo, we will give you the bell." That night, while the moon was high in the sky, Milo prepared for his dangerous mission. Bella gave him a ribbon, and Max tied the bell to it. Milo took the ribbon and walked toward the barn. The barn was dark and quiet. Milo's heart was beating fast, but he did not stop. He crept closer and closer to Whiskers, the big cat, who was sleeping under some hay. The cat's tail twitched, but it did not wake up. Milo climbed onto the cat's back. He gently tied the ribbon with the bell around the cat's neck. Suddenly, the bell jingled softly and Milo froze. The cat opened one eye, but then it closed again. Milo quickly jumped down and ran back to the old oak tree. When Milo returned, all the animals cheered. "Milo, you are a hero," said Bella. "You are the bravest of us all," said Max. Even Freddy the fox said, "I was wrong about you, Milo. You are small, but you are the bravest animal in the village." From that day on, the animals were safe. Whenever the cat moved, the bell rang, and the animals had time to run away. Milo was no longer called Milo the scared mouse. Now he was Milo the brave.
Learn English with Fairy Tales, the perfect book for kids and beginners. Inside, you'll find engaging, educational stories that are perfect for building grammar, vocabulary, and reading skills. Whether you're just starting or advancing, this book will guide you through exercises that make learning fun. You can access Learn English with Fairy Tales anytime, anywhere on your phone. Available now on Amazon Kindle. Check the link in the description to start your English learning journey today.
Milo learned an important lesson. Being brave doesn't mean you are not afraid. It means doing the right thing even when you are scared. Thank you for listening to The Brave Little Mouse. This story teaches us that size doesn't matter when it comes to courage. Did you enjoy the story? What was your favorite part? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video.